Hi everyone! In this video we will find the equation of quadratics using intercepts. Determine the equation in general form of the parabola. In our graph of a parabola we have the two x-intercepts at -6, 0, 1, 0, and the y-intercept at 0, -6. The x-intercepts came from the zero product property after we factored the equation. So in going backwards, we can start off with x equals -6 and x equals +1. Then we add 6 to both sides on this one. We get x plus 6, subtract 1 from both sides here, and we get x minus 1. This gives us our two factors that came from our equation, f of x, to find the x-intercepts. There's one thing missing, however, which is the a out in front. And so we need to find the a by finding another point on our graph. We will use the y-intercept by substituting 0 in for x and -6 for y, and that'll give us a, thus finalizing everything we need for our equation. So we'll put 0 in for x and -6 for y. So we get -6 equals, we'll leave a, and then we replace the x with 0 plus 6. And again, we replace the x with 0 minus 1. 0 plus 6 is 6, so we get a times 6. And 0 minus 1 is -1 equals -6. 6 times -1 times a gives us -6a equals -6. Divide both sides by -6. This tells us that a equals +1. We can take that +1 and substitute it back into our equation that we got to here, giving us f of x equals +1 times x plus 6 times x minus 1. Using FOIL, we can find x plus 6 times x plus 1, and we get f of x equals, and 1 times x plus 6 and x minus 1 just gives us x plus 6, x minus 1. So we can ignore the 1 here. And then first times first gives us x squared. Outside is minus x. Inside is plus 6x. And then the last gives us -6. Combine like terms here, and we have our equation, f of x equals x squared plus 5x minus 6. And now we have found our answer of this equation in general form, meaning we did not leave it in its factored form, but the general form where it's all multiplied out, and we're all done.